Hi math lovers! In this video we're gonna learn about parts of a circle. It is very important to know parts of the circle, so we're gonna use them in many problems. This is the first thing, center of the circle. This is center. Next we have a circle center. Any line from center to the side of the circle, we call this a radius. I know you are familiar with this, but we're going to go forward. Next, we have the center. If the line goes from side and passes through center, any line that passes through center and goes from side to side, we call this diameter. As you see, diameter is equal to 2 times radius, right? We have two radiuses here. Next one is if we have a line from side to side of the circle, but it doesn't pass through the center of the circle, we call this chord. Important to memorize. If we have this part like we have chord, but all this part of the circle, we need it, we cover it. We are solving problem about this part, this covered part. We call this as segment of a circle. Segment. Next, if in this circle, imagine this is pizza and we cut a slice of a pizza, we call this part, this slice of the pizza from circle, we call this sector. Sector. Next, if we have all around the circle, that this line, this is gonna become beautiful now. This we call circumference. Circumference. This is like the perimeter, of a circle. Right? Circumference is like a perimeter of a circle. Next one, if we just take part of the circumference, like this part, not the whole round, we call this as arc. And the last one, I will show you about last one is we're going to use them in trigonometry. Imagine we have here line that passes through the circle and it touches the circle in 2 points. When the line cuts the circle and cuts with 2 points, we call this as secant of the circle. Secant. There are secant formula in trigonometry about the circle, how it cuts into points. We will do it in next videos. And if we have the line that touches the circle side in 1 point and it makes 90 degrees, we call this line as tangent of a circle. So these last two we will use in trigonometry, and it's very important to memorize. So those are the mostly main parts of the circle you need to memorize. We will use them in many problems. Thank you for following. Please share and subscribe.